Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. What's inside? Let's find out. Oh, wow. So this is another big box from James at Lakeside, California. It's like he sends them, and before I even have a chance to reply after he sends an email, it's already here, and I'm already unboxing it. So, before I send an email, thank you very much for sending this, dude. And, yeah, let's take a look at everything. First off, we've got a JML variety. This is Big Soup, Big Taste seafood flavor, and I haven't had this one. Wow. And here's one of the Prince Katsu varieties. This is also, aka Asha dry noodle. These are made in Vietnam, and this is the My Melody Pho chicken lemongrass flavored pho rice noodle soup. So, cool. Okay, now this one's interesting because I had a buddy go down to Mexico, and he brought me back, I believe, the shrimp version of this. But I believe this is a South Korean export for Mexico. I could be wrong, but this is just a chicken flavor ramen. So very cool. This I've seen part of this range before, and what's funny, that was like about 10 years ago. So they're still making it, and it looks like this. And the Kuromi, cool, 2 of them. Yeah, these are friends of Hello Kitty, and this is a spicy beef pho. And then I've got a little package here. It says, try adding this to shrimp or seafood flavor noodles. And I'm curious what it is. It kind of looks like sardines. Whoa. Aromatic krill meat. Interesting. Okay. I'm sold. I'll give it a try. Rad. Thank you. I'm always up for trying something new like this. I was wondering if one of these would overlap. So this is Maruchan birria beef flavor ramen, and I had never seen it before until I did an unboxing like 10 minutes ago, and somebody else sent me one of these. So that's actually really cool because when I do the episode, I can just use a freshie. So thank you very much. Ooh, a Narita variety. So these are like dollar store style-y, and I don't think I've had this one. Chicken curry ramen. I don't think I have. Well, I guess I'll have to look it up. But these are good. There's a tonkatsu that's like excellent. Japchae. This is Otogi japchae. So japchae is kind of like a cellophane noodle, and it has a sauce on it, and I think it's served dry. I haven't had it in a long time. A friend of mine, I remember his daughter really liked it. That was like really young, like 3 or 4. But yeah, japchae. Cool, thanks. Yeah, and here's another Narita one, the tempura udon. I think I have had this one. I could be wrong. I saw these at Dollar Tree, so I'm wondering if that's where he found these. And look at that. So you might have noticed my new background. This is actually a piece of flooring. There's a company called Flooret, Flooret. They sent me some samples, and then I got a plank of it. It was like dirt cheap, and the maintenance guy helped me cut it up into pieces. But the reason I wanted it was for things like this. This would never have just easily fit on anything I had, and I wanted a solid background so I could deal with things like massive like this that are starting to come out. This is XL Ramen. I did one previously that was a spicy, I think it was just hot and spicy. Yeah. And there's other ones too. So I'm stoked. This is way cool. One of these was in the running to be the new, or the number 5000, but I went with a different route, actually one from Dollar Tree, but cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'll have fun doing this. Well, big, as always, thanks to James from Lakeside, California for sending this stuff over. Wow, my noodle cup runneth over. This is the third of 3 unboxings I've done today. I kind of like to let them pile up before I go all in to do them, and wow. Yeah, I got a lot of work ahead of me, so I better get to it. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.